Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off speech recognition on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you don't want your computer to be listening to you all the time, here is how to disable it. From the Windows 11 desktop, click the Windows icon from the taskbar. From there, click the Settings icon to open the Settings app. In Settings, select Privacy and Security from the left menu. In Privacy and Security Settings, select Speech. In Speech Settings, you will see the option for Online Speech Recognition. Turn this feature off. Once you've done that, your PC will stop listening for speech. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.